Hey everyone, I'm so excited. There's actually a new release for Moterm tomorrow or the day after. What day is it? It's Sunday. It's early before everybody wakes up at my house, and I have 3 boxes to open, and I thought I would share it with you. So you know probably that I already have the white Moterm, and I have, let's see, I have white, gray, and olive. And so I'm going to open these, and then I'm going to share a few things that I have learned while using my Moterm over the course of this month. So here we go. I don't know what order they're in, so it's kind of surprise. It'll be a surprise. So here we go. I may be overexcited because I'm finally, I like it much better than I thought I would. This is the black. They come with 2 A9 sized pages. They're actually, I think they're a little bit different than an A9 sized page, but they're, they fit perfectly in these if you want to use them. Look at how pretty. I love that they come with the ring savers. I always put those back on if there's nothing in my planner. So they have a pocket in the front, a pocket in the back, a see-through card pocket, and then a large pocket in the back. And the rings are removable in the Moterm. So you can completely remove these and use it as a wallet if you want. I have used rings out of one of the clear binders. So one of these, I took the rings out. I mean, how cool would it be to have a black on black, right? But I have found that the Moterm rings are stronger than the ones that you get in these little plastic ones. I don't know why, but I changed them out, and then within the month I thought, well, I kind of regret that, and I've come back to the Moterm rings in my planner, and I like it better. So if you're thinking about replacing them, it looks really beautiful, but it's the rings are not necessarily as strong. So this is the black. So pretty. Comes with a pin loop and 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. Oh, how exciting. I really do like that one. Okay, I'll put this back. Here's that. Oh, it's prettier. I really like the black more than I thought I would. I've never owned a black Moterm planner, so I thought, But, oh, which one is this? Ooh. Oh, orange, burnt orange. Pretty. So fall is coming up. Moterm is releasing a mustard yellow soon. That is just absolutely gorgeous also. So these have the black liner, which is new. The liner used to be, let's see. The liner used to be this brown. But now it's black. So you can see the difference between these A9 planners and a pocket planner. It's pretty significant. Beautiful. So which one's better for Halloween, black or orange? I don't know. If you followed me for a while, you know it's been a while since I've been using this planner size, so I'm not just buying everything because I'm hopping on a new trend. I'm buying everything because I'm terrified that they're not going to sell them anymore. Because I love them so much. I want to use this planner style probably forever. So, oh, and there's the pink. How beautiful. This, I don't know, I've always thought of maybe doing a pink Christmas planner or just waiting until spring. The rings on this are a little bit dirty, but they work well. Wonder what happened. Oh, beautiful. So there they are. So what have I learned about using a tiny Moterm planner since starting this project? So I think the first thing that I have learned is that the strap kind of, or the pen loop, is a little bit too big for me to use the size dividers that I've been using. So my divider tabs are pretty big, and when I stuff it full, those dividers, can you see that? Those dividers kind of rub up against the pen loop. I mean, they work fine and it's not a big deal, but I use kind of an A9 plus size page, and those dividers end up being a little bit, like, they get messed up if I use the divider size that I'm used to. So I may trim down I'm trying to decide if I'm going to take out the pen loop, which I do love that it's in there, but it, you know, it's messing up my dividers, or if I'm going to just accept that it's gonna fold my dividers in, or if I'm going to make smaller dividers. And I know people would prefer to use A9 size pages. This is the size page that I like. It works for my planner, and this is a hobby for me. So I'm sorry, please look elsewhere if you need a smaller page. I know a lot of people are starting to make the A9 sized printables. So what else have I learned? I learned the leather is really nice. I cannot use this as my wallet. So so this one has the brown inside. It just doesn't have enough card slot pockets for me. I don't really love the cards inserts that there are. I do not use mine as a wallet. I think if that was all you were using it for, it would be fine. But since I want to use mine as my planner, and this is not the planner I'm using right now. I'm still in the olive. I just have old inserts in this. So this is my like previous setup. I have these old months in here. All of this has been replicated and put in my olive planner for this month. I don't know. I mean, I think it's, I think for the most part it's the same. This little, I'm not used to having the levers. So when I stuff my planner full, that's another thing that I've learned. When I stuff my planner full, I'm not used to having these levers. I could cut the edges of my paper off. You know, I'm using huge paper. The paper that is supposed to be used in these is a lot smaller, and it fits between the two tabs, but mine doesn't. So again, I am stubbornly going to continue to use an A9 plus size and just deal with the fallout later. This is one of the micro binders from Staples that I was using before. The tabs did get a little bit messed up on this one too, as you can see, but it's not, you know, that has never bothered me. So anyway, the pages on this go directly to the side of the thing. I mean, they're like almost out of it. The Moterm is a little bit bigger. And what I was thinking of was that my pages laid flat in this. No matter how many pages I put in there, the rings were smaller, but my pages laid flat because the mechanism wasn't in the way. It's like they don't have one. You just open it like this. The rings are very tight. They hold well, but but they're smaller and the ring mechanism is. So I haven't really felt strained by that. I haven't really felt like I can't fit as many pages as I need because I'm used to the smaller rings. But I could see myself loading one up, forgetting that I've got those levers to deal with, and then like really putting pressure on them and having my rings open or damaging them. So what else have I learned about this little planner? The snap holds up together well. It is a really good protective cover for my pages. I've taken it everywhere this month on many trips. It's been really, my green one. It's downstairs. I'm not going to go downstairs because it'll wake up my kid. It's been really nice using the one that I've got, the olive one this month. It feels really, you know, it feels like a real planner, like a real, you know, like I'm not alone in this weird hobby, but that there are other people who are interested in this size, which is wonderful. Do you have any questions about my setup, about why I bought all these crazy colors, about any of the color comparisons? I have a pink, and this is very old, used, so it looks like about the same as the pink pocket from earlier. I don't know. What do you want to know about these? They smell wonderful. They all still have the painted edge on the strap. Black fabric inside. Removable rings. All the rings came tight. One of them came a little bit dirty. So the pink one was a little bit, but that doesn't bug me. I'll just wipe it off. Looks like maybe glue or something spilled on it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe some of the, I don't know, the sealant. So yeah, those are a few of the things that I've learned while using my Moterm tiny planner this month. I mean, I feel like it's going really well. I feel like I'm really happy with this size, but I don't know about the divider thing. That's kind of a bummer and something that I have control over. So what do you think? Do you think I should trim down my tabs and maybe do like a half-size tab here? So I'm not changing the page size, but I could like cut part of this tab off and it would still stick out enough to be able to see it. Like, see, these are smaller and you can still see them. Should I do that, or should I cut my pin loops out? I don't know. What would you do? Let me know. That is all I've got for this morning. I hope you all are doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.